Hello and welcome back to Project 82. It's been a while. Today is a little bit different now. This isn't on the Escort or any of the other budget builds we are doing. We've done something a little different. We're seeing a lot of people do it. Obviously the project builds that we're doing cost money, so we were like, well, how can we make a little bit just to help us get them done quicker, to get the parts we need. So yeah, we kind of did this. So yeah, here you go. We jumped onto Copart, bought a couple of cars that we're going to flip. Now the idea is we're going to try and do a £500 to £5,000 challenge on them. We're going to keep working our way up. Once we get to £5,000, we then go £5,000 to £10,000. But as you can see, this is what was bought. 2005 BMW 1 Series E87 120D. It has got a few minor issues, hence it being from Copart, but all in all, not too bad. Yep, there's one of them. We do need a new bumper, and for some reason we're struggling to find one, but we will find one. We also need a new wing mirror, and the only other problem I have at the moment is, yep, you guessed it, in typical BMW fashion, the central locking module doesn't work. So it will lock the car, but it won't unlock it. I have got a new module on the way. We are picking up, hopefully, a bumper tomorrow, same as the wing mirror, and then we're good. It's not a bad car, to be fair. It was slightly over the £500 once you include all the fees from Copart and whatnot. I think all in all it worked out at just over 500 quid, but we can live with that, to be fair. So yeah, not great. We took the rear bumper up ourselves. Oh, it was a little bit damaged, but nothing major. But to be fair, I'd rather put a new one on it. The only thing I'm not keen about as well is someone has tinted the headlights, so that's something I'm going to have to get some wet and dry on, sand it down, get the machine polisher out and so forth, and go from there. But all in all, it's a clean car. It is a clean car. Mileage is a bit high, but being the 120D and knowing that all the major works have been done to it, I'm not that worried. I think it's on 168 if I remember rightly. Let's have a little look. I can't remember off the top of my head. Let's have a quick look, shall we? So let's go in here. So let's have a look what the mileage is. There you go, it is on 164. So yeah, mileage is a little bit high, but again, knowing that everything's sound on it, it's all good, that doesn't concern me. But happy days, not bad. Obviously someone's done the carbon trim on it, which I'll probably end up unwrapping and putting back to normal. Upgraded gear stick, M Sport, same as the steering wheel. Someone's decided to stick a little M badge on there that will come off. All in all, quite happy with it really, quite a good little purchase. Hang on a second, let me just sort this out. Oh God. So I'm trying to do multiple things at once, so it's not great. So yeah, that's what we bought. I'll say that wasn't the only thing we bought. We did buy another one. I'll go into that in a minute. Me and my dad have decided that this is what we need to do, just to make a little bit of money. Purely because, as I have said in previous videos, I have got plans for the future, and that does include going on to a bigger workshop and a bigger unit, so we can do more things, not just with the budget builds, but there's things that I want to be doing as well. So I need a bigger workshop space. Again, it costs money, the same as doing the cars. The only way to do that is to earn a bit of money off of doing flips like this. But it will be for sale, I reckon probably in the next 2 weeks or so. Not rushing. As I said, we do have other things we do. This isn't what we do full time, so I can't spend every day on it. But again, it doesn't need a lot. It's actually a good little car. I was tempted to keep it, but I'm not going to. But as I said, me and my dad have done it, make a little bit of money to fund the budget builds that we're doing. Obviously, there is a little bit of an update on the Escort, and I will put that video on probably after this one, to be fair. But as I said, the BM wasn't the only car we bought. So I will flip you around now and show you what else was bought as well. So that sun's a bit bright, isn't it? So here we go. So yeah, the other car we bought was a 2002 Mini Cooper, which, believe it or not, is sold already. It sold the day after it arrived. My sister has decided that she wants that. So, and again, the only thing that was wrong with this was rear bumper. Apparently it needed a new rear bumper. Once we took the existing bumper off, heated it up, it all popped back into shape. So it actually doesn't need anything other than centre caps, which are in here. Centre caps are in there. We just need to fit them, give it a clean up. But really happy, really happy with both of them. Both been a good purchase. So yeah, this is going to be another extension onto the channel, and we'll keep you all up to date on it. So yeah, as I've just said, it will be another extension to the channel. Mainly we will be doing the budget builds like I've started already, but like that's in a series as it is. So this is going to be like an add-on series. We're going to do like flips. As soon as these two are gone, the Mini has already gone. My sister's bought that, so just got to get the BM sorted out, and then that goes. I've got a couple of people interested in it already. One of which is obviously Luke, that is on the channel normally anyway, but he's so busy with work himself. But his missus wants it, so that's probably going to end up going to Laura, and then we can move on to the next couple and do some more to the Escort. As I said earlier, there will be updates on that, so we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.